Hi again, everybody. Welcome back to the Perfect Storm Trading YouTube channel. It is Tuesday morning, 26th of October, 2021. We've got one timing window today. You can see that right here. It's the white window in the B1 area. It's running from about 2:20 to, I don't know, about 6:15 a.m. or so. Marking that over on the Astro Excel, you can see that right here where my cursor is to the right. We've got a new high in that window now. We could make another high just before this window ends. You can see since trading resumed Sunday that we had the strong up move on the green line. Market followed suit. We've turned down on the green line now and we're down into early morning tomorrow, the 27th. So we're about to peak here. We're also hitting a valley on the blue line. That spike bottom is about 748. That's outside our window. Then we move to a peak here on the blue line at about 1447 this afternoon. Then both lines become in sync to the close at that point. Right here at the end of the window on this bar we have a Cosmodine spike, which you can see on the lower panels. So it's possible we spike out here before this window closes or shortly thereafter. And then we should have see some downward pressure coming back in. We are still mostly bullish on the Vedic chart, so we could continue the rally. But right now we should make at least a temporary high inside this window and trade down somewhat. Let's take a look at a little bit of market math. I'm going to use these two swings marked with the red trend lines from last night. You can take price or time or vector and use those to make projections with. In this case, I'm only making a price projection. So I'm taking those two swings and then projecting that off of this low using the triangle math formulas in the triangle math chapter of the book. I have a target of 14 and a quarter points from that low there, and it ended up this hike in the Vedic time window came in here at 13 points. One more little example. Now I've shifted over two swings. I've taken this high to this low and this low to this high, using that as two swings to make a time projection. I'm actually using price marked in these blocks here, the two upper blocks on the left. I'm using the price range of the two swings to make a time projection. That time projection is 47 bars. That puts me right here, one bar outside the end of the Vedic timing window where we've made this. So far it's a minor high marked by the red arrow. So there's a couple examples of how you can also use math, market math inside of these windows to find some other key trading points in both price and time. Remember, you can project price, time, or vector. To project price, time, or vector, you can project time to time, price to time, time to price, whatever whatever you want to do. You can apply the simple mathematical formulas. That's it for today. We'll see you again on Wednesday with another video.